We received a lot of queries from you to know about visa appointment booking process. So we thought, why not make a short video to help you out? Be with us till the end of this video and I assure you that you will know everything about the visa booking procedure. Firstly, when should you apply for a visa slot? It is recommended that you get started for your visa application procedure the moment you receive I-797 United States Citizenship and Immigration Services approval notice. And as per the US Travel Docs, which is an official source of information for all the visa slot booking procedure, it is also suggested that if you are applying for H1B visa slot, then you get started at least 90 days prior to your employment start date. Secondly, where to book for your H1B visa appointment? You can start your appointment booking process by logging in to CGI Federal website. Please check out the link to the website in the description down below. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. How to book your H1B visa slot. And this is a step-by-step guide. To start the process, Google US Visa Appointment India. Click on the first link that pops up. When you enter, you would see a login page. Kindly register yourself as a new user. Fill in all the details. Once done, log in to the portal. You will now be redirected to a page that looks like this. Here, click on the New Appointment or Schedule Appointment tab. Choose the visa type. H1B visa is a temporary non-immigrant visa, so click on the non-immigrant visa pointer. Enter additional relevant details like your country and state of residence. Then choose your preferred language of interview as English. Here, select the visa category that applies to you. Since you're going there for employment, please select Employment-Based Visa. Then, select Visa Class Type. Since you are a working professional, select H1B Temporary Worker in Specialty Location. Review your details one last time before proceeding. Accept the terms and conditions, after which you will be redirected to the Personal Details page, where you'll have to enter details like your passport, name, date of birth, gender, DS160 confirmation number, contact information, mailing address details, petitioner or sponsor details as per your I-797 form. After entering the details, hit continue. Next, you will be redirected to a page where you can add details about the person who's coming with you to the US and dependents like parents or wife. You can add their details too. Answer a couple of questions as prompted on the screen. Pay the application fees. You have a couple of options to pay your fees. Choose your preferred mode. Once you pay the fees, you'll get a receipt number added here. The fee processing takes around 24 to 48 hours. Once the fee is processed, you can log in again. You will now see a Schedule Appointment tab on the left. Choose your preferred location, date and time. That's it, you are done.